Solving inequalities with two variables requires you to graph, plot the intercepts, decide if the line is dotted or solid, and then shade. So the first step here, find our intercepts. So I make a table, and if my x was 0, fill that in for my x, substitute it into my equation. We're going to use the equal sign instead of the gator to help us solve. So 3 times 0 is gone, so negative 7y equals 21. I need to divide by negative 7, so y will be negative 3. Now, if y were 0, I'll rewrite the equation with a y replaced with a 0. And that would be gone then, 7 times 0. So 3 times something to make 21, I'll divide by 3. And that would let me know that x is 7. I'll fill that back in my table. I've done step 1. Now I need to plot the intercept. So I'm going to go 0, negative 3. Remember, that's the y value. So I'll go to negative 3 on the y-axis and 7 on the x-axis. I've plotted my intercepts. Now we need to graph the line, which means we need to decide if it's dotted or solid. Because my gator, or inequality if you will, does not have an equals to, this will be a dashed line. Kind of. All right, finally we need to test a point. My favorite one is 0, 0 because it's easiest to plug in. If this was my test point, 0, 0, I'm going to put 0 in for both the x and y now. And if I do so, if the statement is true with my inequality, then I'll know I shade towards it. If it's not, I'll shade away from it. So 0 is greater than 21. That is not true. So my test point was false. Therefore, I will shade on the opposite side of it. You're done.